What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to swap or convert your Bitcoin to USDT. So for this first step, we have to own some Bitcoin in your wallet. You have to have some Bitcoin. And after you have that in your wallet, then you can simply go to your assets. Now, I will view my assets. For now, I have 3 euros and 31 cents of Bitcoin in my wallet. Just click on that. And after that, you will arrive at the Bitcoin overview. Here you can see the the actual price at the moment. And what you can do is simply click on convert. Click on convert. And now you see I have 3 euros and 31 cents of Bitcoin in my wallet. I would like to convert that to USDT. So I will simply put in 3 euros and 31 cents. Fill in how much you want to convert to the USDT. After that, you simply can go to the lowest section. There you will see we are converting Bitcoin to Ethereum. We don't want to convert it or swap it to Ethereum. We want to swap it to the USDT. So we will simply click on that. We will select the USDT, and after that you will see it is selected. Now what we can do, we can click on preview convert, and we will get an overview about the costs and the fee it will cost to convert your Bitcoin to USDT. So if you would like to convert it, simply click on convert now, and the Bitcoin amount will be converted to USDT and it will be added to your wallet. So hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next Coinbase tutorial. Cheers, bye bye.